What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Again, this is for beginners. I do have expert tutorials. That's for later time. Let's get started. Today we want to learn how to quickly and effectively copy and paste a lot of different effects all at once on our video footage. We need to copy a lot of stuff, and how do I typically do it? How can you do it? So what we're going to do is make sure our correct panels are open. So what we're going to do is go to Window and Effect Controls. That's our number one panel we need to have open. And then we have all of our clips that we want to paste something to. So what I can do real quick is just make a timeline of a lot of clips. It's all the same thing. And I want to move a lot of effects over to other stuff. So here's our clip. It has a lot of different effects on it. Has Lumetri color, has noise, has FilmConvert. And then what I can do is copy everything that I want to copy over, not time remapping. All these different effects, do Control-C on your keyboard or right-click these and do copy. And then we can do is highlight all of these. I'll highlight all of this footage here. You see a little effects tab right here. This one has effects. This one does not have effects. Then we can do Control-V or Command-V to paste it onto all of our different pieces of footage. As you can see, there it is. It's been affected. It's the same clip over and over again. Oh, it's backwards. It's backwards. And that's how you copy and paste effects onto multiple pieces of footage. Now, if you want to quickly find the effects for a certain piece of footage, what you can do is just highlight over the footage and then click this little effects button right here, and it quickly finds the footage for you. Click this, that's this footage, that's this footage, and shows all the different effects. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan the QR code to learn more.